Hi, it's Natalie here from VidVersity, and I want to show you this great new feature we've got where you can share a course with people and track what they've done. So this is if you don't have a learning management system, or maybe you do and you want to deliver it to a client or someone external to your organisation. So first of all, you go into your course, and under Share, there's now this feature here that says Share by Private Registration. So you have a couple of ways to register someone. You can simply go in and say, you could make up, so let's call them Natalie at VidVersity.com. Then you put in their first name and their last name and you add them. Alternatively, you can do a bulk upload. So you just get a .csv file and you have their email, first name and last name, and you can send a bulk upload straight away. Once they're there and you say, okay, this course is ready to deliver, you just can choose all, or otherwise you can just choose, in this instance, one, and send an email notification. And that person's going to be notified that they've been given access to this course. Then you log out, an email arrives, and that person will be told you've been invited to this course, Introduction to Workplace Bullying, and they have to register, which is something they only have to do once. So let's Natalie +11 at VidVersity.com. We'll call it Natalie 11 and we'll make up. So the first time round they get to make their own username and password. Click on register and it will tell them that they get an email saying, you've registered, now could you activate your registration? Like I say, you only have to do this once. They've got a welcome email that says welcome, and then they click on the link and they now have access to this course, which they can launch through there. There'll be progress provided too of how they're going through the course. Now, to add a second course, we have to log out of here and go back in and give them access. So I've logged in as the creator. I go to Share by registration. I add this person again, so Natalie +11 at VidVersity.com, and it's Natalie. And I click on add and I say send the email. Another email invitation to a course has come, different course, click on login. I have to log in as this person that I've created, Natalie +11 at VidVersity. And password. And this person now has access to 2 courses, so they didn't have to register again. And then the last piece of the puzzle is, how do you see who's done what? So you've got to log in as yourself and you go to the relevant course, you choose the share, and at this stage it's a download a file which will tell you the name of the person, their email, and if they're completed or not completed. And don't forget, when we're sending it out, it's based on the data under tracking. So if you've decided that it's going to be tracked based on the viewing of chapters, it may be at 90%, or maybe you want a particular score that they've got to achieve, so maybe they've got to get a 50% pass mark. So you set the tracking first, and then you share it, and then under this report you'll be able to see who's completed based on what settings you put in there. So we've now got the ability to deliver this information and track it in a private environment where you've added a user, they authenticate themselves, and then you give them access to the courses you wish them to see. So we're pretty excited about this new feature.